Hello, welcome back to our Getx tutorial. In last session we talked about how to insert a database. We just called our database.insert and we have known that insert needs a string of table and we just add our table name to do. Then it needs also map of string object the values and we added it. As you said before, you can here insert our database. Wait a moment, let's comment it, hot reload. So now I can add now, as you see now. Then we wanted to know our database, so we wanted to get all data. And as you see now, we just call database.query and it needs only our table name. Perfect. So now we want our data from our table in a professional way. Okay, let's see now. Let's now hot reload. Let's insert some item. Okay, we said in last sessions it is a list of objects. Let's see now the first object. It's the first object, a map of a string dynamic. The second one also. So now we can create a named constructor from JSON to JSON. Let's copy it. Go to our model, create a file. It will be to do model. Okay, it will be class to do model. Okay, let's minimize it. So it will be ID, title, description, time, favorite. Perfect. It will be so now int final, int ID. It can be null, no. Title, description, time, okay. It will be favorite. It will be completed. Let's create our constructor. Okay, required, 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 required. Perfect now. Factory to do model dot from JSON map string dynamic JSON return to do model JSON of ID JSON of title JSON of description JSON of time JSON of and semicolon. So now let's remove this to clean our screen now. Perfect. Let's copy our model, go to our controller, here is get our all data. So now we can fill our list. Let's create a list of to do model. It will be list equal empty list. Okay now, so what else now? We can make a for each var. in all data print I. Let's change print this with debug print. Dot string dot string. Perfect. Now let's hot restart. Perfect, we did it. As you see now, the first one, the second one, the third one. We did a good job. So now we can make a list add to do model from JSON of I. So now I can print it and I can use it. Okay, let's print now. Debug print list dot toString or just list dot length. Okay, hot restart now. Let's see. It's 10, and if you see now the ID is 10. Perfect. We will use this in last sessions when we create our UI. Thank you. See you next session.